Hello, this is V with Timeless Elegance Design. Hope I'm finding everyone well and everyone is staying safe. I'm bringing you another tablescape, and it is called the Black Tie Affair 2020. It is hosted by Styling with Stacy, me, myself, and DIYing it, Glamorous Ellen, Fabulous Design on a Budget, Candy of DIY Designs by CCW, and Shangie, Living Life to the Fullest. Our challenge today was to decorate our table black and white, and we have to have either silver or gold. So basically, your table will be black and white and silver, or black and white and gold. And also, we had to use place cards as well as a menu. So let me take you into my table. This is my table. My table is set for 6. All my place settings are the same. I started out with my white tablecloth, and it's in representation of a man's white tuxedo shirt. And my napkin, my napkin is representing of a man's cuff with his cuff link, shirt cuff with his cuff link. My place setting are my crystal trimmed in gold dinner plate, as well as my dessert or salad plate trimmed in gold crystal, and my dinner napkin is a representative of a man's tuxedo jacket with my menu in it, and that is my place setting card, as well as my crystal stemware and my gold smoke stemware, and my flatware is my gold flatware. So my colors are the black, gold, and white. All of the place settings, again, as I said, are the same, with the napkin looking like a man's shirt sleeve cuff, as well as the napkin with the menu in it. And this is his bow tie. And my little crystal posters are representing as the buttons with the little gold candle that I got from Dollar Tree in it. And I pleated my tablecloth to look like the facing where the buttons are on the tuxedo shirt. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're one of my family members, thank you so much for visiting me again. And if you find any inspiration and you are not already a family member, please go ahead and click that like, comment, subscribe button and share with your family and friends. And don't forget to go over and visit all these beautiful ladies' channel. I will leave them linked in the description box below. Let them know I sent you, as well as all of the other participants in this collab. The little place setting cards, frame, I got those from Dollar Tree. My black napkins, I got those from Amazon. As well as white napkins, I got from Amazon. All of my crystal dishes, I got thrifting. Thank you so much for visiting me. And do come back and see me again. Bye-bye.